In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leverage AI summarization to efficiently manage and summarize tickets in Zendesk support using its built-in features. Let's dive into the world of Zendesk and explore how its AI capabilities can help streamline your customer support process. Zendesk has developed some remarkable built-in summarization options that are designed to enhance the way support tickets are handled. By utilizing the Zendesk Agent Workspace in conjunction with AI features, through the Copilot add-on, you gain the ability to generate concise summaries of all public comments within a ticket. But that's not all. For those utilizing the voice channel through Zendesk Talk, you can enable a transcribe and summarize feature for call recordings. This ensures that after a conversation, both a transcript and a summary are automatically added to the ticket as an internal note. This can be a game changer for tracking and managing customer interactions efficiently. To take advantage of these capabilities, you'll need to ensure a couple of prerequisites are met. First, confirm that you're subscribed to a Zendesk plan that supports the AI summarization feature, such as one that includes the Copilot add-on. Additionally, you'll want to make sure that you're using the Agent Workspace. Once you're set up with the right plan and workspace, you can enable summarization for the relevant channels you're using. In your Admin Center, navigate to the appropriate section for the channel you'd like to enable this feature in. For example, if you're setting this up for voice channel tickets through Zendesk Talk, you would go to Admin Center, then Channels, followed by Talk, and finally, Settings, where you'll find the Transcribe and Summarize option. Enabling this feature will not only allow call transcripts to be created, but also provides a handy summary that's appended as an internal note, helping you keep track of what was discussed without having to listen to the entire conversation again. Once everything is enabled, agents will notice a new addition when they open a ticket: the Summary banner. This banner neatly provides a summary of the ticket conversation so far, offering a quick overview without going through every comment or detail. Agents can refresh the summary to ensure they have the latest information, or hide it if it's not needed at that moment. These summarization features are designed to save time and improve efficiency by helping support teams quickly get up to speed with ticket details. Not only does this lead to more informed responses, but it also enhances customer service by ensuring nothing important is lost in translation. Embrace these smart tools and watch how they transform your support operations with greater speed and clarity. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide to Zendesk's AI summarization options helpful.